Chiropractic adjustments are very safe. It is extremely rare to have incidents of injury in chiropractic offices in general, and even more rare in offices that utilize the Gonstead system. Depending on how much swelling and inflammation there is, there can be a little discomfort at first, but as the condition improves, there should be little or no discomfort associated with the adjustments. Getting chiropractic adjustments does not create the need for more adjustments. It is prudent to get checked periodically to see if there are any new misalignments that might